To Bengaluru now, where parking will no longer be free of cost on public roads in Bengaluru once the ULT, or the Urban Land Transport Department, plus the BBMP identify the area parking plan under the Urban Development Department's Parking Policy 2.0. Now, the task, which can take up to 6 months to 1 year, aims to adopt a pay and park system for residents who park outside their homes in few areas in the city.
Bangalore city has about 13 million population, and we have almost 9.4 million vehicle population in Bangalore, and every year it's about growing by 10%. If we grow at this stage, almost all Bangalore roads will be congested. Objective and the intention of the new parking policy is to ensure that our people shift from private transport to the public transport. With this objective, this policy has been framed, and to ensure that we don't encourage private vehicles in Bangalore. With that intention, having a parking policy is one of that steps.
It's of no meaning, no. It's of no meaning at all. It's of no meaning.
What do you think about this?
So we think, they can better permit. Instead of just telling, they can permit it. They can permit us.
See, one way it is good. Like everybody, when you think about buying a car, you should have a parking area. Buy a car if you have a parking allotment. But for an emergency of parking somewhere, see, roads are there, you're applying there, and if you tell us you should not park, then what is the point? Like, how are we going to economically grow? We also wanted to buy a car, we also wanted to go out, we also want the government to provide us space.
It's another hoax that's taking place. It's a method of people making money, and it is not going to work at all, because the identification of the vehicle will not be possible. Parking should be a facility given to the public, and it should not be a money-making business. But the BBMP has made it a money-making business. I am the person who brought in the first automated parking in India on street, and it's been successfully working from the past 16 years.
If you own a car and if you live in Bangalore city, you will have to pay where you park. That's right. Parking will no longer be free in Bangalore city and is only expected to get more expensive. The Urban Development Department, in its order, clearly states the new policy, Parking Policy 2.0 for Bangalore, where all commercial areas and residential areas will be covered in order to pay and park. This new pay and park system has upsetted many residents of the city. We spoke to some, which essentially means that any person who owns a car will have to pay some amount of money where they park. Now, for small cars, it will cost about 1,000 rupees. For medium cars, anywhere between 3,000 to 4,000 rupees. And for big cars like the MUVs and the SUVs should cost about 5,000 rupees. The policy is here in order to decongest and regulate the unregulated traffic and parking spaces in the city, given that Bangalore faces major traffic woes. This task can easily take up to anything between 6 months to 1 year for the BBMP and the ULT, which is the Urban Land Transport Department, to come up with their identification of the final zonal task forces where they will be making an parking area plan. When we spoke to some of the residents, not many welcomed this decision, but only go on to say that the BBMP, which is the Bangalore Bruhat Mahanagar Palike, is only doing this in order to mint some money. With camera person Kumar in Bangalore, Shanakshi Chakrabarti for NDTV.